Hi there, I'm Dan. Thank you for joining us. In this video, we'll show you how to use the EDDM online tool to identify your audiences. You'll see just how easy it is to be smart with your marketing dollars and have an impact on your business. With me is someone who knows the need to get specific with locations and with demographics. This is Abby, a real estate marketer who has a lot of experience selecting certain groups for direct mail campaigns. Now, Abby, we both know that what makes EDDM so great is that it allows you to target residences based on really useful information, right? Like mail routes, zip codes, or residential area, as well as the age, household size, and income of your prospective audience. It can even break down the cost of the marketing campaign itself. So, Abby, can you tell us about how important it is to target a specific audience in the real estate game?
Well, for me, as a real estate marketer, I love to imagine what my buyer and seller might be like. Right? Is it a first-time home buyer? Is it an empty nester? Is it someone that has a growing family and wants and needs more space? And from that, you can really get an idea of who you want to market to. What I found success in is to really start on the audiences where you've already done business in those neighborhoods.
Right. Start with what you know. It makes a lot of sense. And EDDM can do just that. Now let's head over to the actual tool and see just how easy it is to find potential home buyers and sellers. Here we are. So to get started, we enter a full address, a city or state, or just a zip code. The map will zoom into that location and you can actually see and select specific mail routes and go right from here. Abby, does this look familiar?
It does. I love how user-friendly it is and how you can really zoom in on the exact house that you're targeting and the surrounding street names and neighborhood.
Because in real estate, location,
Exactly.
right? If you want to more easily compare those routes, you can switch from the map view to the table view right here. Now this is where things get really cool. You can target by specific route using its demographic data in categories like residential, business, or total number of deliveries on that route. You can also look at average household age, size, or income. And you can see how much it costs to send out your EDDM mailing to each door on the route so that, very important, you can stay on budget. So in your field, how do you use the tool?
So because we've done this campaign month to month, I've memorized certain zip codes that I feel is going to benefit our real estate marketing. Let's just say there's a home that's for $600,000. I might want to target a certain income, right? Of over $100,000, right? Okay. So I can sort that on the tool. Then it's a 3 or 4 bedroom. I might want to change the household size. And then I might want to do over 30 and really narrow in on the specific audiences that we want to target so we can get the most benefit from our campaign.
So if you ever need to send out more than 5,000 pieces of mail per day, and you're not there yet, right?
Not yet.
But you will be.
Of course.
Blow up tomorrow, I know this. For that, you would use EDDM VMEU. And for that, you'll sign up for or log into your business customer gateway account, navigate to the EDDM option, and then just plan your mailer. Any other pro tips or tricks that you can recommend, Abby, to first-time users of the tool?
I would say just go on the website. Don't be afraid to use it. It's free, it's user-friendly, it's interactive. And for me, what's most important is consistency, right? Challenge yourself to have a 12-month campaign so that you can be as consistent as possible from month to month to month so that your audience that's getting those mail pieces understand that you are their real estate expert and they can call you if they need any help.
And as we just saw, doing that sorting only takes a matter of seconds.
Exactly.
So easy. Thank you so much for joining us, Abby, and thank you so much for your insight.
Thank you so much.
What a great introduction to the online tool. This was the perfect place to start. Now in our next video, we'll talk about creating the physical mailer and how the online tool helps you get printing and sizing right the first time, every time. See you there, and thanks for watching.